Don't do it, guys. Don't place trades based on what you see here. Please consult your own financial advisors and do your own due diligence. All right, with that said, let's go. It is Wednesday, September 5th, and I'm officially sick, but it's all good. What's not all good is the continuation of the slaughter, the brutalization of my portfolio here. Down another 0.5% today, as down as 0.85 at one point. I dipped under 333,000. Not good. And I don't even think the dollar was strong today. It's just that all my holdings kept falling, perhaps in anticipation of the dollar being strong. Emerging markets down. Oh, actually, pretty flat, but China was down. Uh, silver and gold stocks were down a little bit. The biggest hit that my portfolio took was because of uranium. As you can see over here, UUUU was down 5%, LEU down 18, URG down 3%, Cameco down another 1.4%, URA down as well. To my amusement, for the first time in a long time, Apple is down today by 0.65%. I did purchase that put yesterday, so already paying off a little bit. We'll see if that trend continues. Spotify down 5.4%. What's in the news? I was watching the Twitter CEO getting questioned on Capitol Hill. That's the biggest event of today. In other news, I bought some more EXK. As you can see, the total now is 608 shares. Let's see. It's at 215 right now. I think I purchased it around 216. So we'll see. I will continue to accumulate as it drops down below $2. I'm gonna ramp it up. I have some cash. I still have $722 of buying power here, and I'm gonna be leveraging this account further as EXK drops. Right now I have on margin about $6,000. I'm gonna increase that up to 12. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be fantastic. And hopefully that trade turns around at some point. So those are all my hopes and dreams. Um, oh, this is interesting. Look at this. I didn't notice this, but analysts are actually ranking EXK a buy at this point. We'll see how it goes. This number is probably going to drop. The earnings per share is going to drop next quarter with these low prices. That's insane. But we'll see. I'm looking forward to seeing how they finish this third quarter. Very interesting. I'm expecting some major losses, but not to worry. They're an intelligent bunch, and I think they're gonna persevere and end up profiting in the end. What else was I looking up? Oh, I bought a little bit of the Chinese market. Like I decided not to do the options because it's gonna take too much capital. I still might do it in the future, but not yet. And JD.com is a big Chinese retailer. They were in the news because their CEO, who holds like 80% of the company, he has like 25 billion net worth or something crazy like that. He was in the US and he's had some charges like on sexual misconduct of some sort, but as far as I know, has been released to China. And but I think perhaps it's taken a closer look at the company by investors because of these events, and they're selling it off at the moment. Um, as you can see, look at this 5-year chart. It's a vertical drop here, and it's about to test its lows at about $20 here. And it's close enough to $20 to where I feel comfortable enough just putting a couple $100 in there. So whether it's a 20 or 26 is not really that material when you can imagine that the stock was as high as $50 at one point. It's a competitor to, I believe, websites like Alibaba. So it's going to be interesting how the story unfolds. It's going to be interesting how far silver drops. It's going to be interesting how far Apple drops, if it drops. Having a really hard time betting against Apple at the moment, but I gotta do it. They're too high. We'll see what happens. Currently sitting at 226.92. Okay, that's the update for today. Made some moves, spent some cash, lost some money, value went down. Hopefully the week doesn't continue like this, but like I mentioned yesterday, I think it's going to be a rough week for me. I'm not going to take too many more measures to mitigate that. I already bought that Apple's put, and that's all I'm going to be doing, I think, to try to stave off the bleeding. We'll just try to ride it out and just purchase more EXK on the way down. And that's the plan. See you guys tomorrow. All right, peace out.